By the end of this video, you're gonna know the 3 signs that you're ready to attract your soulmate into your life. 1 is you're starting to put yourself first. For the first time, you're like, it's my turn. It's been everyone's turn. I've been putting people first. I've been putting my needs last. You know what? It's my turn now. So you're putting yourself first. 2nd is you're starting to have boundaries. You're starting to say no, or not now, or not for me. You've overcome that need just to say yes to everything and anything, and you finally have boundaries that you honor. And the 3rd sign is you simply do not care about love or meeting somebody. You have detached, you have surrendered, you're like, if it happens, it happens. If I meet them, I meet them. Either way, I'm gonna enjoy life, I'm gonna do me, I'm gonna live life to the fullest. And that's the best vibration to be on. Because in that vibration, the person that's meant for you will find you.